bring it back.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here. I'm coming at y'all with a brand new unboxing video. I'm finally back at it with another video. I know it's been a minute. I haven't been making my live cop vid, but to be honest, I think I might actually go back to making live cops because I do have some extra time on my hands. I actually realized since I don't have as much work to do with school, so I will try to come out with some live cops for you guys. So definitely, if you are new, subscribe down below. That would be much appreciated. So yeah, obviously we got a few sneakers here. This one's gonna be a sneaker dub I got, and then the rest is gonna be from Supreme from the past couple weeks or so, I think. Take these, put these down here, and I'll just go from the top till the bottom. All right, so let's get right on into the unboxing. The first piece is going to be from Nike sneakers. They actually did like the second drop of the Nike and Supreme stuff. I pretty much put my name in the hat for everything. The only thing I would manage to get a dub on was this beanie, the Nike and Supreme, the snakeskin beanie right here. I don't know why they put it in such a big freaking bag. Oh, this is actually not bad. Not nice high quality, but I don't like how this is really small lettering, the really small embroidery. But then you have the snakeskin black Supreme and Nike beanie. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the snakeskin. I don't know if it's real snakeskin. Doesn't really feel like it, to be honest. Kind of feels like some more like a rubbery type thing, but I'm probably gonna be not keeping this for the personal. I'm gonna hold it on to next winter and then probably sell it off. So yeah, that was the Supreme and Nike snakeskin beanie. There's the tag right there, just in case if you guys wanna. All right, so our next package here, by the way, I did go ahead and open up all these packages ahead of time, so I didn't have to spend the whole time, you know, on camera opening them up. But let's see what we got in this package. Oh, okay, here we go. We got a personal in this package. We got the usual 2 box logos for that sticker. This one is not going to be the for personal, but this was during the North Face drop. I did manage to scoop up a size large, and this is the Ice Climb tee. I'm gonna be holding on to that, see if it can go up in its price a little bit. They restocked like a whole bunch of North Face stuff. That means probably a bunch of people like either canceled their orders or they just had a whole bunch of stock of it. The last North Face week was not that great of a North Face drop, to be honest. Kind of like a mediocre drop. But here we have an item for the personal, and this one is gonna be the Old English collared logo long sleeve top. This is in the black XL, obviously. Has like the Old English knitted into the collar there, and then I believe like the sleeves have like white on the end or something like that. Nice little hit. Let me get this open here. Yeah, like the end of the sleeves right there. I kind of like that. There we go. This is gonna be for the personal. I'll actually go ahead and throw it on body real quick for you guys for the rest of the unboxing. Real quick, I'll be right back. All right, we are back. We got it on. A little bit tight around the neck, but that's probably just because I got a big neck. But it fits pretty nice. Sleeves are exactly how I like it. Sleeves fit perfectly, not too long, not too short, basically right where I want them to go. But anyways, this fits pretty well, nice and comfy. We'll be moving on to the next package here. Let's see what's gonna be in this one. Oh, okay, here we go. Here's another multi-cart. We got 3 BOGOs in this order. Now we got a total of 5 for the unboxing. All right, so the first item in this multi-cart was this over-dyed beanie. These actually sat on the website for quite a while, so I might end up keeping this, to be honest. I do kind of like this colorway. These are probably not going to resell that much. Probably will have to wait until more winter time to do that. But then we also got this reflective zip track pant. We got it in the black XL. I'm probably gonna end up selling it eventually. I'm not gonna be keeping this one just because I already have some like black track pants from Supreme anyways. But these are the reflective. I don't know if you guys can see that reflective with the sort of, yeah, you can see a little bit. But there's that order. And then moving on for the next one. More BOGOs, of course, for this order too. So I did manage to hit this. with Swiftsole, I did hit this. I put random sizing and random colorway. So this is a size 30 in white of the Historic Glamour double knee pants. Pretty fire. I'm gonna be holding on to these. Hopefully these end up reselling for quite a bit. And I only ran one task for this, and it was I was fortunate enough to hit it with Swiftsole. And I believe Swiftsole is actually back in stock. So if you guys want to go check them out, I will leave a link down in the description below. That'll bring you to their website, and you guys can go ahead and get yourself a copy of Swiftsole if it is in stock. Moving on, we have another item. This one I did get manual. I did not use Swiftsole for this one. This was honestly a pretty easy manual cop. It is the Supreme Yashica camera, disposable film camera. There, I did get in the black, obviously. Right there, pretty nice. I'm gonna end up keeping this in the accessory collection. You already know. It's the Yashica MF1, if you guys can see right there. All right, so that looks like to be it of the Supreme stuff. So we will move on to our sneaker dub that we got. And as you can see here, it is a Yeezy, and it is the Yeezy 700. All right, and you guys could probably guess on which colorway this is, the most recent 700 release. And it is the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. I did get this in a 13.5, just because my 700 V3 clay browns were a little tight on the foot in size 13. I did decide to go a half up, and I did manage to get this on Adidas Confirmed, so I'm happy I did get that, because I did get L's on every other website, including Yeezy Supply. All right, so let's take these guys out so I can show you. There's the classic fart box. All right, so here we are, the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. Give you a nice little 360 real quick on the box. There you go. So just in case for all you legit checkers out there, I will show you guys the tag right on the sneaker. Right there. Oh, when it comes from Adidas, it only comes with this tag. Here is the actual sneaker, up nice and close. This one, I do personally like this a lot better than the last blue 700 V3. I forgot what the actual name is, but this one is definitely a lot less blue, and it's definitely a lot cleaner, I believe, in my personal opinion. But we got real reflective hits right there, and then these cage kind of bar things going across do glow in the dark. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. I don't know if you can tell, it's probably too bright in here, but anyways, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Has like nice little the teal soles on the bottom. I do like this sneaker. I'm probably gonna end up keeping it in the personal collection. The colorway kind of does remind me of my middle school colorway. That was their school color, basically, of their uniforms and stuff. So that kind of brings me back some old school vibes, back to my middle school days. But so yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. We got all these Supreme stickers to add to my stack that I have going on that shelf back there. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. Definitely drop a like down below if you did, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new. That would be much appreciated. And if you guys wanted to increase your chances of copping Supreme, definitely go ahead and check that link down in the description below for Swiftsole. I'm like 95% sure they're in stock right now. I haven't checked today, but I'm pretty sure they are. So if you guys want to go check that out, definitely go check that link down below. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Stay hyped, stay out.